Hey there, good afternoon, HISD. I'm Trey Serna. Lots to get to on this Monday, August 18th. Now stick around. In today's video, we're talking GT testing, an important reminder for parents about your child's annual enrollment information, a reminder about Parent Square, and our Campus Close-Up series. But we're starting with accountability. It's week 2 of the new school year, and the district, along with many of our schools, are still celebrating the official state accountability ratings. By now, you may have heard the good news. For the first time ever, HISD has no F-rated schools. We caught up with the principal of Madding Elementary, a school that went from a D to an A.
I was really excited when I got the news that we have moved from a D to an A. We worked really hard last year with our teachers and planning and sitting with them one-on-one, going back, looking at student data, making sure we would identify their needs and address individual students and their needs. And so I was just really excited, was ready to get back with my staff and get back with the students so we can actually celebrate all the hard work and begin building on what we started last year.
Our Campus Close-Up series is back. Each week we're selecting a new school and bringing you stories about their campus, from teachers, students, parents, and everything in between. Our first stop is Pin Oak Middle School, home of the Chargers. Now this school is located in Southwest Houston and has the distinction of being an application-only school. The high-quality programs, including being a magnet school for foreign languages, is a large reason why parents are choosing to apply to Pin Oak. I caught up with Principal Lindsay Vela about her school, and we covered a lot of topics, including the 2025 accountability ratings. And Principal Vela tells me her school also saw some incredible gains.
So even at Pin Oak, that's an A-rated campus, we saw major growth and gains across the board. And so when it came to closing the gaps with our student groups, we closed them so much that we do not have gaps on this campus. And we came in at a high A in that area too. We came in at a 94. And so I'm really proud of the work of our students, but really impressed with our teachers and what they are able to do in order to meet the needs of kids.
You can see more of my interview with Principal Vela on our YouTube channel right now. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We've got plenty of more stories from Pin Oak coming to you this week. I talked to teachers there about the high quality instruction happening in their classroom each and every day, from their CTE program to English and computer classes and much more. I also sat down with a group of students, 7th and 8th graders. Wait until you hear why they say they already feel prepared to take on high school. And hear from Pin Oak parents. I also sat down with the current and former PTO presidents, why they say volunteering at this school is truly a unique and rewarding experience. Again, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss those stories. Now to some important reminders for our families. Parents interested in having their child tested for gifted and talented, you have 1 week to submit your request. You can find the link on our website or on our Instagram or Facebook pages, or just scan that QR code on your screen. We also have 2 more info sessions for parents happening this week, one on Tuesday and one on Thursday. The details and links to register are posted on our social media channels. Also, parents, don't forget to update and file your child's contact information. The annual enrollment link can be found on our website, that's houstonisd.org. Now, once you're there, just scroll down and click on Student Information Update to fill it out. It's quick and easy, and it is required for the new school year. And having your information updated will ensure you're connected to your school and the district through our new communication tool, Parent Square. Get updates through text and email, or download the app and manage your newsfeed for all the latest information. As always, thank you for connecting with us on HISD Now. Now, while you're subscribing to this channel, don't forget to give us a like and follow on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a great evening.